I know that they can't wait to say I switched up. That's why I'm around with that stick and it's filled up. Nigga, fuck you mean, nigga. $1,000 jeans, nigga. I don't drink green, nigga. We drinking real lean, nigga. Fuck you mean, nigga. Get hit with this beam, nigga. PDE gon' clear the scene, nigga. Paradise, nigga. Wipe a nigga nose clean, nigga. VVS is drippin', little nigga. Ain't no SIs in my shit, nigga. Ain't number water on me, bitch, nigga. Ain't number choppers around me, bitch, nigga. Shoot your hood up.
What's up? Good morning, everybody.
Ain't no traffic, no sleep.
What's up, Jared, Chad, Hectorino? What's up, guys?
That's what happen when you don't eat.
Right,
Wait to catch it down bad.
let's do breakdowns real quick.
100,000 in that brown bag. Flexing on my ass and now my hoes mad.
Starting from the daily, right? Closed quite nice and strong bearish here on the daily. If this daily candle flips, breaks its own low, it could potentially come down and fill this wick here. That's about 48 pips. 4 hour, we have seen a support being formed right here at 1756. But overall, we are still in a range basically on gold. Based off the daily, I'm more bearish than bullish. Looking at the 4 hour candle here, if we can close bearish on this 4 hour candle, I'll be more prepared to take sells within this range. Otherwise, I really actually want to see us breaking below this support at 1755, 600. Looks like we could be coming back into the higher time frame bias. So we had CPI last week, and we had this massive rally on gold. So it looks like CPI is pretty much priced in, and we've had some hawkish Fed speakers this week, and we can see that bearish pressure here over the last 2 days. Or like I say, still in a range, basically intraday range here on gold. But if we're looking at the daily, like I say, I'm prepared to take sells here today. Buys, not too interested in buys, but if we break above 1770, there's definitely potential here. We've got about a 50 pip range moving up. Like I say, if the 4 hour candle can close bearish, we could potentially be looking at sells within this range, so a little bit more aggressive. And then we've got a nice support here at 1762. Okay, just putting the music on hold. Yeah, we formed support here at 1762, resistance, support. So if we can come back and close below there, there's only 1 minute left. I don't think we will. But what I was looking at was to potentially then be taking sells on the break of these lows. You've got about 17 pips there to the daily low. At that point your daily candle's flipping bearish, and if we can break that low, I would anticipate us to then fill the rest of this range. Right now it looks like we could maybe move this support down here to 1761,600. Other than that, like I say, not too interested in buys right now unless we break above 1770. Safer sells below 1755,500. Your 30-minute and hourly candles closed bullish there. We did get that nice bearish, strong bearish candle closure there. We're still respecting those highs. You know, if we come down and break these lows, we could still see those sells play out, but it's not looking all that clean. Your 4 hours now closed bullish. Still pretty rangy here on gold actually. And then GJ. So those buy stops, even if we had left them in, they would have actually played out. So we had buy stops set on the break of yesterday's current candle high with like a 30 pip stop. Targets up here to fill this range. So that played out quite nicely during Asian session. And now we've pulled back. Looks like we've formed support right here at 166,350. Kind of tricky though, because right now price is just ranging here. Your daily candle did close nice and bullish yesterday. Those buys during Asian were perfect. I would have loved that, but for now, we'll just have to see. 4 hours closed bearish here. Still respecting our level here at 166,300. Hourly looks relatively clean, but your 30 minutes, 15 minutes don't look all that great. $30 minutes closed with no bottom wick here, so even though we close bearish, we may see price move up. We also have GBP retail sales, I think it is, coming up at 9. We've got retail sales at 9 for the pound. Buys off of the support are very aggressive. Like I say, we are ranging here on the lower time frames. 15 minutes really not all that clean, but the 30 minute, we can see on the 30 minutes, just looking at the bodies, the candle bodies, ignoring these wicks here. Alright, looking at this, we do have a pretty clean range. If we can close back above here, 166.545, we could then look for price to move back up there. So I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute candle closure here on GJ. Planning to have buys above 166.545 in line with the daily bias here. For sells, not overly keen on sells, but if we do break below 166, 120, below there, our most recent price action is quite clean. So potential sells below 166, 120. Got about a 26, 27 pip range moving down there. So I'm always just looking at the cleanest possible ranges to be taking trades in. Now we do have resistance right here at 166.800. You know, if we break above there, I believe it will make sense for price to move up. But I'm looking to the left here, and we've got this resistance, and you can see these wicks here. Strong rejections to 167.300, let's say. So for further buys, if we can't take advantage of buys within this range, further buys I would only really be looking above 167.360. If we do break above 166.915, hold above there, we definitely could move up and fill this range here. But we'll also have to see how the news comes out at 9. Buys on GJ, sells on gold. That's what I'm looking at as well. 1 hour on gold is clean. Not really. Okay, I'll have a look now, Shaker. It's clean for me. Morning, David. What's up? Alright, so Shaker also had that same level I was looking at, I think 162 for sells below there. And then very similar idea here on GJ. On the hourly, this looks like a nice and clean break and retest of 166.300. But like I say, lower time frame here. To be taking buys in this range is not really a great idea. So I'd rather see a closure above this resistance. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? Suppose if we are looking on the hourly, we can move the support up a little bit to 162.300, and then on the 30-minute, this little thing here becomes like a fake out. So we'll see how price sets up. We can maybe just ignore that. Alright, now it's just a matter of waiting. Got 15 minutes until these, or 17 minutes until these 30-minute candles close. GJ, I need to see a 30-minute candle closing bullish above resistance here. Gold. Also, I need to see a 30-minute candle closing below 162.250. RCT SMC strategy? No, absolutely not. Yeah, I like this. We cannot be overly persuaded by 1 month's data. Talking about CPI. Like I say, we have had a couple hawkish Fed speakers this week supporting dollar strength. Looking at the DXY, we are just stabilizing here, ranging. Your daily looks like we've potentially formed support at 106. If DXY can trade back above 107, could potentially see that higher time frame bias come back into the picture. And then on gold, that basically correlates to something like this. I like this idea, Shaker. I do like this idea. So on GJ, right now it does look like we are moving down. So if we can come further down at London Open and then break back above 166.300, could potentially look for buys back above 166.300. So I wouldn't be looking for buys of 166, 120, just because we would be trading back below this key resistance here. And we would be back in this range right here. What? Oh yeah, for SMC traders, we got ourselves a bullish order block here. Thanks for that, Shaker. See, I don't hate SMC traders. I cater for everybody. Yeah, Jared, turn off your washing machine.
Hey Dad,
What's up?
I'm on soft, it's fucking making me annoyed.
No, you're not that soft.
It's fun.
Yeah. I thought you were still asleep or something. I didn't see you in chat, so...
Nah, I just did a message in chat, man. Then you're speaking about games. Jared called it. Because I haven't sold my PlayStation. I wanted to, but then Dylan came and heard Dylan.
Oh, so you whipped out the PS.
His PS, he bought his PlayStation down, so I never had time to go and sell that because I told him I'm doing stuff in my house.
Yeah. You doing anything this weekend? And for your birthday? Just a birthday stream.
I'm not doing anything.
Nah, we're gonna do something, don't worry.
I don't know how to come
It's the big 3-0, Nico, come on.
Fuck off.
How's it, my bro?
How's it?
Oh, the Joe's voice.
Yes,
Yes.
Does my mic sound better or not?
yeah, it does sound a bit better, eh?
Okay, so I'm gonna try to change this thing that I'm changing now a bit more, and then tell me if it gets better or worse. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, Chad wants another Zoom call for the stream on Monday.
Better.
Yeah, that is better.
No.
What did you change?
There's a sensitivity to your mark settings. I changed that. I upped that. The face cam on 21st. What happens on the 21st, my friend?
He's saying it's your 21st birthday.
Oh yes, I forgot his birthday.
Yes. Nico, how old are you at the moment?
Pardon?
25. I'm turning 26.
Wait, on Monday?
Yeah. What?
Yes. No, fuck, I didn't know exactly, so I just wanted to ask.
Oh, Bali.
No. Shame, we're gonna have to put you in when we get a trading house. We'll get you a retirement trading house.
Appreciate it. That's why I don't have to move too much.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, Sheikh, are you talking about the URL? Maybe I should go and do that.
Oh, gonna go. Listen, bro. I have an Apple to spill with you, eh?
Yeah.
Listen. Why haven't you been here singing your song? Been waiting for your song sing.
Jared, we've only had one trade this week, dude.
Yeah,
We
no,
haven't
no,
been here
it's-
to bring the volume in.
You were singing, my friend. That thing was
When-
skyrocketing.
when Wayne pops a message on, I'll start.
Yeah, Wayne's been the only one in chat saying, let's go GJ.
Yeah,
Did you see what Goldman said, Jared, or not?
nah.
We were in
Did
a
he
trade
say?
on. We were, a trade that he TP on our gold
Yeah.
trade. You saw that? When we were in
Yeah.
the trade, we were in a bit like I think we were in a tiny bit of drawdown, bro. And he types there. He types, Russia must just send a missile. And
Russia must drop a
Fucking hell.
nuke.
Yes.
Fuck's
Fucking
sakes.
hell, dude.
then we smashed TP, bro. And then Connor said, "Oh, thanks, Russia." We didn't need TP on stream, but we eat like partials and break even, blah blah blah.
Yeah, yes, you guys are rough on him away.
I'm not. I'm not. involved.
Yes, I don't know, eh? Sounds like you're encouraging it, eh? This is...
Nah.
Oh, yeah.
Poor Russia,
Nah.
man. You know what?
Amazing.
That
Poor Russia, bro. They're nuking someone. Poor fucking whoever they're nuking.
No, that bomb that was dropped in Poland this week, and literally everyone had a go at Russia. All these big, like politicians and officials, just blaming Russia, dude. And it
Yeah.
turns out it was actually a missile from Ukraine.
Yeah, because Ukraine also has Russian bombs and nukes and shit.
And then as
Yeah.
soon as okay, I didn't actually see if they had confirmed it, but it seems like it was from Ukraine. And once they found that out, it just went hush hush, dude.
I was about to say,
Yeah.
everything just died out.
Yeah, quiet,
Yeah.
quickly.
Everyone's looking for a reason to fuck Russia up, bro, because Putin is being the worst, dude. Simple as that.
Nah, they want money, bro.
I'm telling you now, bro, it's gonna get to the point where someone's gonna kill Putin of his own, like Russian.
Nah, dude, I really don't think that'll happen.
But
That guy's so well protected, it's not even a joke.
Fuck that, bro. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen to one of the close people you think is gonna take him out. Because how can you start making your country a third world country, bro? How can you? No one's gonna stand for that. Even if they follow you to a team, then someone eventually is gonna. Something's gonna happen, and if it's not gonna happen when someone kills him, someone's gonna try. They're gonna kill that person, or something bad's gonna happen to that person.
Yeah, it probably would be an inside man.
And slowly, that people are gonna start noticing people are coming for own people, and then they're gonna click like this pussy's doing wrong shit. And slowly, someone's gonna take him out. I'm telling you now, it's gonna happen. Not now, but it will happen, especially if it carries on this way.
Shaker, puta madre is Spanish.
Is Russian writing in there?
The word
I
cunt
have
on
no
my neck.
idea, yeah. I don't know what that means.
I can't.
Yeah, puta madre means, I think, like your mother's a bitch or something in
I
Spanish.
don't know about it. A Russian on my neck that says CUNT.
Oh yeah. No, it doesn't really though, does it? But it looks like it.
Yeah, I just.
Spanish.
Get ready, bro. You think Russia looks like that?
Yes, boys.
Yeah.
What should I make the channel URL?
And shot down something and
Can't I change this?
an explosion.
Nah, don't let me make a custom one.
You hear what David said? David says Ukraine shot down something and the debris was an explosion. Fuck Ukraine.
So
Ukraine must
so
just
fast.
give in and let Russia win. Fuck's sakes.
Dude, I don't think it's that simple.
Nah, they must.
I think not
I'm
yet.
tired of this war tension, dude. I don't want World War 3. I'm too young.
Yeah, I've played enough Call of Duty. Let's go. I'm joking. Listen, I don't want a World War 3, but you know what I do want? It's unrealistic, but a zombie outbreak in America, bro. I don't want that shit. It must be in America and must fly us over to go fight the people. But damn key. Bro.
Yeah,
Nah,
and they
nah,
must supply us with weapons, bro. Don't worry.
Of
America
course,
will
bro.
strap us quick.
Dude, I
I'll
don't know
be
if
keen
I'm
for
keen
that.
for zombies there.
Oh, bro, listen. Let me rephrase again.
Dude.
I don't want World War Z zombies because those things are fucking fast. I don't want those zombies. I want the slow ones that I can run around and shoot when I want. I want
But
the
then,
fast thing.
dude, when you sleep, then it's like that one question that they asked if you could take $10 million now, or you have a snail that follows you for the rest of your life, right? Just follows you. It's not like a quick snail, nothing. But if it touches you, then you die. Like,
Yo,
and it
but
just
I'm
takes
hopping
like
in a plane
a-
right now.
I'm in a plane overseas, bro.
Yeah,
Straight.
that thing has to swim across the
Oh, you know
the
what?
Pacific Ocean to get to me.
No, Connor, I'll sleep in my bed. You know what? I'll make a fucking salt circle around that thing. I think that thing's gonna come to me, bro. That thing's stuck in the cage for the rest of its life in that salt circle. It will never come across. I'm telling you. What's it?
Yes.
Shaker, can't you come on Discord quick?
In Discord.
I'm already here, bro.
Hey, what's up?
I'm here from last 5 minutes. You guys are speaking something, so.
Liar. He joined like a minute ago.
No, I'm from last 5 minutes here, bro.
Can't you tell me how I claim
Yeah,
that
go to
YouTube?
your YouTube dashboard.
Just hold on.
Dude, that's last
Okay.
5 minutes is in South Africa. Now. Okay.
You can see customization on the left bottom. Go
Yeah,
there.
Yeah.
Then basic info.
And then
Then you'll see a thing called handle.
okay.
Yeah, in that set your handle, just type your name.
Can it have a space?
Oh. Yeah, without space, just do Connor Abrams, no? Remove space, you can't have space, I think. Yeah, you can't have. Is it taken?
No, it's not taken.
Oh, it's not.
Better
Yeah,
not
just
be
click
taken.
publish.
I'll do this before you press save. I'm trying to press save so I can claim it first.
Now, when you open your channel, you can see a name tag below your channel name.
Sheesh.
And how come I can't change the URL?
No, they removed the custom URL and they made this handle. They
Okay.
introduced this recently, so
So this will be my new handle.
can't. Yeah, if you go to learn more there, they'll say the same thing.
Oh, what's your handle? The thing that people keep on the top in.
Yeah. Okay, so let's actually test this.
She's shot for that, Shaker. Coming in hot this morning, eh?
Yeah, no, there's a lot of
I'm always here, bro. I just don't want to disturb you guys, so
Nah,
I just stick to the start.
nah, we said that you must jump on Discord. That's how we added you, know?
Let me hear what you were speaking. Please for me
Yeah,
to
that's
take it.
much better. Cause that link is actually really easy to remember.
Yeah, youtube.com/your username. Very easy.
GJ.
Speaking English, Saker. I want to hear some Spanish. Man.
GJ cleared high capture liquidity and closed back below.
All my life,
range,
I
shift
thought
to
it's
sellers
Russian,
in
bro.
control. Overall, we're quite bullish here on GJ at the moment, so I'd rather wait for the buys to set up. Potential sells below 166, 120.
What is he talking about?
Like a shift in sentiment, shift between bullish and bearish.
Because this thing is still closed above the range. This candle broke through the range at the moment, but it's still closed back into the range.
Wait, so Cotton, it's youtube.com.
/ Connor Abrams.
Hey, that's fucking dope, dude.
Yeah, thanks Shaker, thanks for that too.
to sit and speak with us too long.
He comes, he drops the knowledge and leaves.
Yeah. Shake is like the tech support.
He's a dad, Connor. Your dad's gonna hit you for getting another RT person.
No, my dad helps me with the Wi-Fi.
And yesterday was the most viewed stream you've had, Con.
Yeah, yesterday was crazy.
Oh,
Yesterday was
1.3.
insane.
I know I asked this, bro, but can I just ask it again?
Yeah.
1,200 views. We had 1,200 people come in and out of the stream.
Yeah, I think that's basically what it means. But the thing is, if you go and look at the video now, once it's posted, oh, it does say 1.3.
No.
Yeah, so that was the total people that were on and off.
But it's a live. No one's gonna go really watch a live because it's what's happening currently. No one's gonna really watch it. I mean, fuck, they have 1,020.
Chad.
Oh,
Puta madre. Wow, now.
I'd want to take it back if I were you. Simply, you can now send new viruses and shit.
Nah, Shay couldn't do that. I think he just wants to come and visit.
Yeah.
I think
more trauma we have.
The other day it was west of Cape Town, now it's north of Cape Town. Oh yeah, that's actually true. Shaker yesterday when I spoke to him, he said he just was, you know, keeping chat entertained because it brings people in.
Yeah. But I checked around London Open, the views jumped. They went from like 87 to 107. I was like, damn, people are just coming into that London Open.
GJ at the moment, bro. Like, what the fuck? Not even money.
No. I mean, yeah, we could come down further on the daily candle, create a steeper bottom wick, but overall, I'm not really interested in sells. Lower time frame, like I said, we do have this range below 166, 120. But for the most part, we're still respecting this previous key area at like 166, 250. So lower time frame, what's going on here right now could just be like a slight fake out here. You can see this 30-minute candle flipping bullish. So if we close bullish back into the range here, could potentially be looking at bars there. I'd still rather wait for bars above 166, 545.
I'll be back in a second, eh?
Cool.
Oh, the body horse. Wait, fuck, I'm on. So we do have a place. If you pick a bar there, we said
Eric, a lot of things don't make sense, but you just gotta go with the flow.
High of the day, doesn't make.
You know, with the way I trade, probably most of my trades are buying at the high of the day and selling at the low of the day. But you know what? I'm always trading with the trend, always taking the highest probability trades. So I don't care where price is. I don't care if it's oversold, overbought. I will keep selling an oversold market if my setup is there. And I'll keep buying an overbought market if my setup is there. You don't see no RSI here on my screen. This market is never oversold and never overbought. Anything can happen. GJ could jump up right now, break these highs and run for another 200 pips. You know, crazy things happen in this market. Don't have like preset expectations. Think logically.
Confused though, Connor.
Okay.
This man said you're buying at the half of the day. What is this the half of the day? Oh, am I mad?
I think he's talking about these potential buys above 166,900. But I mean,
Bro.
anyway.
He's honest. Oh, for the range.
Yeah, we had that strong 30-minute bullish candle there, but we haven't pushed back up to these highs. Let's see how the hourly candle closes here. If we can close back below 1762, could be potentially looking at pre-London sells here in gold. What's up, Wayne? Yesterday you saw my YouTube monetization. Yeah, I made a whole 63 cents yesterday. Yeah.
What did you show?
No, I think he's talking about what I posted on my Instagram story with the views and that from yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
It showed the monetization as well. But it wasn't actually like ad revenue or anything. Someone donated something in the chat.
Sticker.
Yeah, super sticker, super chat.
Hey, it's Wayne. We got a surprise for you in a few minutes, Wayne.
What is it?
Let's go, Carl.
Oh, shut up, Jeremy. Fuck.
Yes. But then you see when I'm not here, you miss it. You guys need to decide. I can't keep having this back and forth.
What I'm saying is I'm not singing along. I'm losing my voice. Yesterday was actually quite bad. My voice was going. Do you do jobs or run businesses other than trading? No, I don't. I'm trying to build some other streams of income. I don't really consider it as a job or anything, or business.
Oh, you're a professional golf player after stream, eh?
Yeah. Just trying to get that Nike sponsorship, and I'll be sorted.
Just quickly, you know.
Yeah, I've been dreaming about golf lately. I don't know what it is, and I keep seeing reels pop up on my Instagram. Best believe, I'm gonna be the next Tiger Woods.
See, that'd be funny, dude. If you become a professional
Just
golfer.
give me 20 years.
Yes. But when I come down in Jan, dude, we definitely playing a course there.
I'm not that serious, dude. I don't even have a handicap.
Oh, gee.
Connor's handicap is sometimes he can't see colors. Yeah, that's that's about it.
Yeah, next time I take a loss on stream, I'm definitely blaming it on that.
Wow. I caught you there, Connor. I caught you there.
Oh, Nico, did you see the border collies there?
Oh, in the group on the WhatsApp.
Oh, dude. That's what they were cute,
Wayne's an
eh?
8 handicap, eh? Probably was
Yeah.
a 7 handicap.
Yeah, something like that.
Wayne's a 9 and Fabio was a 8. Some shit like that.
I'm sure someone said they were a 6 or 7.
Fabio.
So what does a handicap mean now? I know that the lower the better. But if your handicap is, let's say, 10, what does that mean? Normally you shoot like 10 under par or what? No, I don't
So
know.
basically, it's I'm gonna Google it so that I get the right one. I just want to speak out of
I'll have to Google it as well.
Yeah, it's the number that represents the golfer's abilities based on their previous rounds of golf scores.
Basically like your average one. You know what it is. So you, like, the lower you are, the more you play like under par.
How do you even figure out your own handicap? Why can't I just
You
lie
keep-
and say my handicap is 5?
Because you keep scores and then that's how you know it. But the thing is, if you play with like a club and stuff and you say you've got this incredible handicap, then they put you with that group. So like they'll put the let's
Sheesh,
just
don't
say
want
5
that.
through 8. And then now imagine you playing with the 5 through 8 and then everybody's teeing off, you last and tee off, and then you shank. And then you're like, what the fuck? And then people putt in for like 1 or 2, and then you still there smacking it 7 times. So you need to like actually be like, okay, cool. This is mine, because then you play with a certain group and like you sort of know where you are in golf.
Handicap means a circumstance that makes progress or success difficult. Reese was a 2 handicap. That's pretty good, eh?
No, that's solid.
It was a 2 handicap.
Yeah. My friend literally went to a golfing school and he was a 1 handicap.
Looks.
Old man's game in India, Jad.
I think golf has always been like an old man's game, but it's golf seems to be growing.
Yeah,
Or maybe
the
I'm just
younger
getting older.
generation's getting
I don't know.
into it.
Listen. Like 1 or 2 handicaps. Come, Reese and Wayne, come play with us. For that 3rd hole, we are feeding a lot of fish. Oh.
Oh god. Omar, GJ is bipolar. Yeah, GJ. I nearly threw my toys out the cot this morning when I saw GJ. Those trade ideas from yesterday play out overnight. But it is what it is. We'll see if we can catch some sort of continuation, because we have had a pullback now. We formed new highs, pulled back, forming support.
What I was yesterday, Connor, the fact that sat in that like for like 30 minutes, we sat same spot on GJ, but we never got triggered in because we were waiting for the break. Like, how long we sat there? Like, imagine it entered us in and then even got there at least.
Yeah, no, listen.
It was literally just.
Yeah, hourly looks really clean here. If we can close more bullish on this hourly. Gold's also pushing down nicely here. Just need a closure below 162. Let's say 162.300.
Yeah, You ask you, are we gymming today?
Nah, Nico, I'm taking the week off.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Like golf.
Nah. Dude, golf is actually not tiring, but it takes energy.
Not play golf, I mean driving range, man.
No.
No. Cricket, bro, I'm sorry. Cricket, Connor.
Cricket, nah. I'm not a fan of cricket.
I enjoy playing it, but fuck, I don't like watching it.
Yeah, it's cock boring. Playing it is quite fun. Not that I ever played it really as a sport or anything. It's just like, you know, as kids.
I mean, you have a caddy, bro. You gotta carry your bag.
Guys, I'm coming now.
Nah, baseball is a trash sport. Eh? That is honestly the most boring sport I've ever watched.
We also have news in 7.5 minutes for the pound. So if news comes out good, this supports the idea of bars. And if it comes out bad, I'll probably just leave GJ alone. If news is good, we could potentially even take some more aggressive entries off of the support here. All we do is hit the ball, get on that small car thingy, then search for the ball for 10 hours. Golf in a nutshell, eh? Play paddle. What's paddle, in? Mixture of tennis, squash, and... Never heard of it.
Oh no, paddle doesn't sound too fun. Eh?
Doesn't sound too bad. Get out of here.
Geez, gold's hourly might close above 65. Eh? That's gonna be nice.
I'm not too interested in bars here.
Aren't you?
Well, no, you know what sports I want to start playing, bro?
That's it.
Volleyball. What? Volleyball, but only with your head, dog. Head of the ball with the net hole.
Yeah, you talking shit now.
That sounds like CTE, yeah?
You ever see me hit a fucking soccer ball?
What's CTE?
You know, most, I don't know the exact name of it, but it's like fighters get CTE, and it like fucks up your brain, like Muhammad Ali.
Oh, yes,
You know
I've
what I'm
heard
talking
about
about?
this.
Really? No, last week.
So like I say, with good pound news, we could potentially have some more aggressive entries here. I'd still like to get those technical confirmations with the lower wick being formed on the hourly, then potential buy stops on the break of this high here. Stops would be about 25 pips. I'd probably go break even at about 14 pips.
From the hourly now. The current hour.
Check how many people are on.
127. Yo, that's a lot, eh?
It's mad.
Dude.
I think it's more or less normal for your subscribers.
Yeah, maybe it's the hashtags that Chad gave, because I put them in this morning, and I took out Xness as a recommended broker. Maybe that's why they didn't want to watch.
You must put IC markets there, Con. Or Blueberry.
Yeah, no, I'd rather put RC markets. I've got a live account with RC now.
Oh, yeah. It's not that you need it or anything, but dude, I still get paid from those affiliate links that I used to have on my trading profiles.
Oh yeah.
So it's not much, but I mean, it does help out here and there.
Pay for my petrol maybe.
Yeah, legit, dude. Like I promise you, some months I get like $100, $100.
Serious?
Oh, dude.
That's not bad.
And I mean, it's just people that signed up under me, not under me, but signed up with my link. And then when they trade, I get a small commission.
I know to some people in chat, maybe $100 doesn't sound like a lot, but I mean for us that is like a tank of petrol.
Yeah,
and
that's almost $2,000.
That's for nothing.
Yeah.
Passive income. What's up, Vince? Vince, you can't say good morning South Africa, you gotta say good morning to everyone. There's people from all over here.
We don't know, but so.
No, I've spoken to him. He's from here.
Have you met him?
No, I haven't met him. But I'm sure we'll meet sometime.
You met us yet?
Yeah?
He met us yet? Like, has he met us somewhere or seen us somewhere?
I don't think so. Vince, if you ever see me in the spark, come up and say hello. GJ bars of the hourly are looking really clean.
What are you doing?
Yeah? What am I doing?
Was he there?
Oh nah. It's someone's birthday this evening. Taylor. Probably gonna go pop in. But I'm just gonna go show face.
What's close to me?
Nah. We'll talk on WhatsApp.
I'm saying Vince said in chat he lives by the airport.
Oh. Okay, so here we go. Let's see the news. I would like to see these numbers before taking a trade.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go. So you guys clap.
Trade for that, Jared.
That's when you guys start clapping it. Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
I think GJ's already broken hourly highs.
You see, look what Shaker's done to your laptop now.
Shaker, stop it, man.
You see, now Chad wants to see the airport you guys are close to. He's working with a strategy.
Okay, good numbers for GJ. We've just broken those highs. I'm gonna take bars right here. Market execution. Stops below previous hourly. It's about 30 pips. I would have had bar stops on the break of that high, but yeah, we've already broken the high clearly, so I'm just doing a market execution here. Hourly gave us that confirmation. Still closing bullish off of support here. We had that wick down. Nice rejection to these previous highs at 166, 270. Lower time frame ranging, but with news, I'm anticipating volume to drive us up here.
Just for anybody listening, market execution 166.523. Stop loss is going to be 166.238. And take profit will be discussed, but we're going to probably go break even at 166.9.
Yeah, I fucked up it. I bought gold.
Did you?
Because I was doing a market execution.
Oh, fuck. Shit.
If you trade now, you'll have a better entry.
Yeah, we were just kidding about the GJ buy. The new gold trade.
Nah, Jared.
No, you know I'm raving.
No, you know what? Chad, I messed up, so I'm entering right here just so I'm in this with you guys and I'm gonna manage it.
You know, better than us. Manage initial entry that Jared gave, I think.
Thing is, I never do market execution. Hardly ever.
Get low shit.
Break even point is going to be at 166. 660. For about 13 pips.
So, Con, have you closed the gold buy now?
Yeah, best believe.
Jeez.
I went straight into like, it actually wasn't that bad. I went into like 3 pips drawdown.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there goes my load shedding. So yeah, retail sales, we had good numbers here. So fundamentally, we've got some sort of catalyst to drive up, and we formed a nice support based off the hourly. I'll see how the 15-minute candle closes here. We close bearish. I may potentially manage risk. Right now, price is sitting around my entry here.
There's 144 people watching. Holy dude.
Let's not talk about that.
uh,
Chad is always stirring up the chat, eh?
yes.
The screen is not clear. Make sure you have your resolution on maybe 720 or 180. 1080, I mean.
The currency pair is listed at the bottom of the screen with the date and time frame we're currently on. So 18th of November 2022, GBP JPY 50 minutes. Just for future reference if you're looking at the stream.
You know what Roger Banks would be saying right now?
Your fucking internet is shit.
No, I'd be saying you fucking stupid.
No, you'd be fucking going off it.
Like I say, if the 15-minute candle closes bearish, I'll be looking at managing risk here. So we had an initial little push up from the news. We have retraced, formed a steeper bottom wick on the hourly. 1 minute here forming support. Current candle flipping back bullish.
And I think what Chad said sounds legit. Hit the like, guys. If we don't get 100 likes in 60 seconds, he's gonna end the stream. That sounds about right.
If I ever speak like that, I'm just joking, guys. But you better hit that like button, or I might do something worse. No, I'm just playing. Just playing. Good to have everybody here today. This is the most people that I've ever had on stream, so breaking records today. Yesterday was also crazy. So thanks everybody for joining. Pop a message in the chat here if you're new. Let us know where you're joining from.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Excuse Jared, chat.
Exactly. Clapping hands. Thank you, Wayne. You flippin' aced it.
Aced it. If we re-break current hourly highs, I'm expecting us to push up to our break-even point. We also have London Open coming up, so we really would like to be in at least 15 pips or so of profit before London Open, so we can potentially either secure partials or go break even. TP. I'll be looking to take off partials here as we tap back into these Asian highs at 166.800. I'd like to rather see us push up into 166.900, but it's only 10 pips. I'd rather just secure as we move into these Asian highs and then leave runners into 167.350 maybe. We'll see how it goes. Hey from Denmark, welcome to the stream. Gold broke to the top. Not too interested in bars within this range. GJ flipping back bearish. Okay, your 15 closed. Doji still in here with the full position.
Would you say you're gonna close out? Or you're gonna manage risk when it closes bearish? I just close bullish, just
Yeah, close bullish just for me.
literally last second. I want to do static again,
It's not as bad as the other day. Chad, mate, calm your tits a little. Chad is like the class clown. He's here to keep you guys entertained. If we do break previous 15-minute lows, I'm going to close 50%. Chad, don't you like my thumbnail? Ian made that thumbnail for us. Ian, the OG. I haven't seen him in a minute. This is GJ. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, GBPJPY. It's 2 days in a row now of breaking records. Five minute looks clean. 1 minute looks like we're forming like a double bottom. $15 I do want to see us drive up and fill this previous candle wick here. And then obviously break the highs and move up to our break-even point. Thank you, Wayne. Appreciate it, bro.
Can I open an order now? Is Mali? Yo, I'm gonna butcher that surname, eh?
I don't even try. If you want to open an order now, that's up to you. Maybe you want to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Maybe wait for London open. These trades are based on our hourly support forming here and good news for the pound. So anticipating us to move up from the support. Obviously right now volume's kind of died down, just ranging here on the lower time frame. We may have to manage risk if we break previous 15-minute lows. So if you want to enter now, just make sure you have your own confirmations. Is it ticking your boxes to enter? It's completely up to you. Okay, if we're breaking these lows, I'm closing 50% right here. Hire someone on Fiverr. I actually need to get someone from Fiverr to help me with the website. So yeah, I've closed off at -5 pips, but those are initial entries given. That'd be -15 pips. We'll see how the candles close. If your 30 minutes closing bearish like this, I may just close full and then wait for London open. Just building liquidity, collecting orders.
But honestly, drawdown is part of the game. I mean, it's just depending on how you handle it. So if you obviously can create a support, you'll start pushing. That's going to be awesome, man.
But at the same time, we can't just hope that price is going to come back up. So
yeah, definitely
managed risk here. But yeah, 100% drawdown is part of the game. This was planned out. got that technical confirmation, support formed here on the hourly. We retested this previous resistance at 166.270, and we had good news for the pound. So ticking a lot of boxes here. Just retested support here at 350.
Have a quick look at gold, please. We will in a bit. Did you close 50% already?
Yeah, I closed
Yes.
50%.
Yeah. Getting stomped out is part of the game too. Definitely. Can't win them all. Goal is to win more than you lose, because all we do is win no matter what.
You don't even have to win more than you lose. If you do have a good risk to reward, I mean, you could have like a 40% win rate and still be profitable. But with my risk to reward, generally I would say that I need to be winning at least 50%.
I do see the buyers not against this trade, but I see sells. I think sells are quite tough at this point, considering the uptrend, in my opinion.
Yeah, as long as we're holding above these previous highs right here, I'll definitely not be looking at sells. And even then, you're only really going to have cleaner sells below 166, 120. But obviously that's just my view on it.
Yeah, pretty much this whole week we've been in a bullish uptrend since Monday, around 163.750. We've just been creating high highs, high lows. So we're at a level where technically we should create support off of an old resistance to continue pushing on up. So is sort of the whole idea behind this trade.
It's been a bit choppy this week.
Oh, no, definitely has.
Um,
It's been choppy across the board. Even gold isn't amazing at this moment.
Yeah, but we had this like key demand zone, if you want to say that, at 165, and we're trading back above that level, so we could see some higher time frame continuations back up to these highs.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that's what most traders struggle with, is risk management and protecting their capital. That honestly is one of the biggest things, because if you are going to trade, take losers, you get to a point where you're like, yes, I just want to break even for the day, and then you start taking dumb trades. So definitely sticking to that one or two trades is definitely key, and then just trying to keep very small losses, I guess.
Yeah, I'm still in my buy.
We're just building liquidity since the start of the week to sweep lower.
I may even add back my risk here if the opportunity presents itself. Minutes looks like it's going to close bearish. We are still respecting the support at 166.350, but if we break current 30-minute lows, I'll close full year. All of us have greed. You can only control it, can't remove it. It's human nature. That's 100%. And in trading, it's very important to understand human nature. Even in the market, and how human nature is driving price, because a lot of the time we'll see greed driving price. As we've seen in the stock market with the previous CPI, this past CPI, we had slightly improved numbers, and we had just this delusional rally on US 30, US equities, and you know that's all driven by greed. So understanding human nature, understanding yourself as well, what triggers you, you know, and being able to identify those emotions. So if you can feel, okay, you know, maybe you've taken 1 or 2 trades today, and whatever the outcome, maybe you feel like you need to take another trade. You need to reflect on why you feel that way, and is it logical or is it driven by emotions? Are you being greedy? Looks like we are. Like I say, if we break this previous 30-minute low, I will close full. Haven't just broken it yet. Okay, closing full right here. So yeah, negative 9 pips from that initial entry given. Negative 18 pips. Not too bad. Obviously GJ is going to do this to us. Let's wait and see how this hourly candle closes. We've got London open in 30 minutes. Gold also coming down here. See, our risk managed really nicely on this trade. Didn't really play out the way we wanted. Music name? I'm not too sure. I've got this music off Pixabay. So yeah, we got 26 minutes here, waiting for London open. Sent a chart on Discord. Let me have a look. Taking sells from there. I can see the way you're looking at things here. Obviously everyone has their own perception of the market, and that's good. You need to have a strategy that resonates with you. I was actually speaking to Wayne yesterday, and he just said that, you know, this simple price action strategy resonates with him, and that's how I felt when I came across price action trading. So this is the way I see the market. I've already discussed my view on the higher time frames. I do believe we could move back up to some of our higher time frame highs from some of these price points. We were in a pretty choppy range all week. We've broken above this key resistance at 166. We're trading above there now. We formed a support on the hourly, and on top of that we've had some positive pound news this morning. So I'd still be happy to give these buys another shot if they can set up. Yeah.
Good. Look, one of the
I can't see.
Yes, he's 70 lux.
Sheesh. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it, guys.
you just saying just
You guys should have
people
left it on
ask-
69. Yeah.
Well, people in the chat asking what ICT is. It's a way of trading called icon trade. So then everybody gets together at con trade, and then they label themselves icon trade.
stay mute.
Stay. Nah, I like that one. But yeah, that's. Nah, you know, like you were saying, everyone has their own way of seeing things. If it works for you, it works for you. This ICT smart money concept doesn't really resonate with me. And generally the ICT guys, you know, I'm speaking generally, they'll have a big mouth, you know. They come here on stream, I'm trading price action. They come with the ICT lingo, or smart money lingo, and we just don't get along. But you know what, I always say, if it works for you, it works for you. So respect. GJ. Still respecting the support at 166.350.
They're saying ICT works, bro. No. I think you work when you trade ICT because you need another source of income to pay the bills.
Oh my god. Yeah, Jared is fucking laying in today.
Nah, I'm just joking, guys. If it works for you, like Connor said, all good.
This industry is too toxic. Tell me about it. Stop it. Stop it, I like it.
Stop it, I like it. Stop it, I like it. Hey, bring me my country. Yes, I'll never forget that, okay? Yo.
Oh, did Copy say that?
Yeah, I did.
I'm wondering what the hell are you going on about? I thought this was like a meme or something I missed out on.
Bro, now I'll tell you after stream. I don't want to publicize it too much, yeah. But I'm pretty sure I've told you in the past.
Yeah, I do vaguely remember that story. What's up, Ronald? Welcome to the stream. Worst part is people who are toxic, not even profitable. Some of them are profitable.
Gone.
Yeah.
Do something on quick, okay?
Pardon?
Do something on WhatsApp quick.
I don't trade Euro USD, no. But you can send a chart to the Discord. I'll have a look. Is this the past week?
See, the trade we took at the bottom, you'll see L there. I
Yeah.
just took another trade underneath that made up more than the L I just took.
That's nice, dude.
But look at GJ is like, yes, there's a gold loss. You see, GJ is the only fucking loss, so this is making me. But literally this week.
Bro, GJ is also getting on my nerves lately.
There, bro, there's the evidence right in front of you.
Yeah, I mean, the trade is playing out, but manage risk, I mean, part of the game. I would have rather taken a 15 pip loss than a 30 pip loss. It wasn't really looking all that good.
I'm not taking anything away from GJ. I don't, like, anyone can trade GJ, that's up to them. I'm just saying, for me, myself, now, GJ, because consistency is real with GJ, where, like, I take a lot of L's with GJ.
Is anyone still in the GJ bars? Now you're smiling. Yep. Who just subbed the Brinley Bender show? I bet you they're in the bars still. Thank you for the sub. Yeah, you guys are naughty. You need to manage your risk.
You guys are naughty. Oh, God.
Yeah, I would love to execute on bars based off of this 15-minute closure. It's looking really good. But we are coming up to London Open. We could see, you know, one last little liquidity grab. So a wick down on the new hourly candle. And then a move up. Sometimes with GJ, you know, London Open it just drives up. No bottom wick. But that's a chance I'm going to take. That's a rule for myself that I don't execute on anything 15 minutes before London Open. So obviously I have to stick to my rules. And I'm waiting here. Got 13 minutes. Wasn't by a PC, luckily. Yeah, luckily. Sheesh. Jared.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Nah, Jared, man. Why did you donate?
Just for a raid.
Shot, dude. Appreciate it.
No stress. And buy a monster this afternoon.
Oh, yeah. Should have saved that for when we go for drinks.
Yeah, yes.
Hey?
Will not buy a monster.
Wow.
What happened to Dad?
Yeah, you know what? I actually haven't had a monster since I heard about that.
The monsters below.
I had a Red Bull, like just a small can, you know, moderation. What? Johannesburg effect.
It's from Shaker. Fuck this thing, you know?
What is Shaker know about Johannesburg?
Main place when you help in South Africa, that's all.
Shaker says you hard today, Jared.
Just supporting the boys. After stream, gets a call from me. Hey, Con, could you send that back? Hey, that's one of my,
Yes,
one of my monthly salary there. Yo, could you imagine it? It's great. Jeez, but I think Luke still takes the cake with donors.
Jeez. Yeah, Luke definitely takes the cake.
One day I'll be big like Luke.
Let's see who can donate more than Luke.
1, 2, 3, go.
I was so shocked.
Yeah, I did, yo.
I wonder if Luke is here today.
I haven't seen him in chat. But I spoke to him on Instagram for a bit the past couple of days.
He seems to be quite busy during the stream. I don't know if he's just not that active in chat, but he's always here, but he's not really talking most of the time.
No, but he's doing a South African cooking trip soon, eh?
For real?
No, and he said he's gonna make us a Australian barbecue.
Australian BBQ.
Oh, it's like, oh no, we're gonna teach you how to fry.
I want an Australian BBW.
Oh goodness. Anything Connor says does not represent Triple F Trading LT. What is it? LLC? Nah, I'm just raving.
Thoughts on possible buys above 166,500? I like it. I like it a lot. I saw yesterday, people flooded into the Discord. That's crazy.
Instead of a monster, you can buy a bucket of balls today, or when you're better.
Yeah, that's better. Our price for a bucket of balls went up as well, so much appreciated.
Bro, can we make that a thing, eh? All the stream money come.
Yeah, all the stream money is going to my new hobby. Nah, I'm raving. I still haven't been able to even get money out of YouTube yet. I need to still set up like the whole payment story and all of that. But I'll see. I think maybe I'll just put it back into the stream somehow, some way.
Yeah, some upgrade equipment or something like that.
I'll buy Nico a mic for his birthday. I should actually maybe get a new mic, although this thing is fine.
Yeah, that's solid. I hear you crystal clear.
I mean, it's Microsoft. This thing's made for teaching. So 5 minutes.
Well, I saw my rate, you just leave the money in until one day it's like a substantial amount.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking that as well.
Yeah, then you can like do something cool with it.
Like buy a Lambo.
Or Pretoria. Just finishing your sentences, you know me in sync, eh?
Hello sir, can you help me? What's wrong, Mr. Raza? How can I help you? Someone asks, how can I learn? I mean, there's many many ways of learning, but learning through experience and practice is also very important. It's clear, so then.
It's after the.
Are you breaking up there, Nico?
I want to see the stats for this.
I think your noise suppression is like overpowering.
No, a little bit too high.
No.
You just hear like the peak of your voice, like the whoop.
Yeah, do a clap like before you start speaking.
Better now.
Yeah, a little bit.
I got mine on negative 73 decibels. The input sensitivity, I got mine on negative 73.
GJ. You know, GJ is really getting on my nerves lately. But you know what, it's nice to see the idea play out. But at the same time, managing risk based off what I'm seeing, you know.
Looks like it's going to be our only trade you're going to take.
Potentially. You know, we were respecting the support. We never broke previous hourly lows. The trade was valid. Just the fact that we were pre-London, so close to London Open, I did want to manage risk based off the fact that sometimes London Open can bring us deeper liquidity grabs. So I didn't want to get stuck in taking a full stop loss, because I did want to try get involved here again. So if we can maybe retrace a little bit on this candle, just closing back above 166.550 here, I could still potentially give this another shot. Check 1 minute chart. Yeah, BJ, I think your sell idea is gone, bro. We just jumped up like 20 pips. So for anyone who is in this initial trade, we're about to open up or London Open is about to come in now in 30 seconds. We did tap into my initial break-even point that I was looking at. So just be aware, we could potentially see some pullback on the new hourly candle. But overall, I mean, we are closing above this resistance on the 30 minute. And I'd say that this range right here looks quite good to fill with volume. Okay, I'm gonna have buy stops on the break of the highs here. Open up immediately with a bottom wick. So buy stops on the break of previous 30-minute highs. I mean, it really couldn't get any better than that. My buy stops are at 166,680. I'm going to use previous 15-minute stops, just to be safe, for 22 pips. Break-even point here will be these Asian highs for 14 pips. Here on TradingView, if I'm accounting for spread, buy stops would be at 166,690. On my broker, it's 680. Gold, choppy here. I'd leave it alone. Break-even point 166,820. And like I say, with stops below the previous 15, yeah, let's say 166,450. That's a 23 pip stop. Any plans on entry? Yeah, I've got bar stops here. For the kids in the back, gold, not really interested in trades within this range between 1770 and 1762. In fact, even these sells below 1762 are not the safest, a little bit more aggressive, but based off the daily, my bias is bearish for the day. Like I was discussing earlier on, we've had some hawkish Fed speakers this week supporting dollar strength. So that is an idea, sells below 1762. But you can have safer sells below 1755. Have you checked 1 minute chart? No, not recently. BJ, the thing is, you need to have confidence with the higher time frames. Okay, your higher time frames hold a lot more weight than a 1 minute chart. So you can look at price action on a 1 minute all day and continue to be inconsistent, or you can start to build confluence using multiple time frames. So no, I haven't had a look at the 1 minute chart, but have you had a look at the hourly, the 30 minutes, the daily? Because overall, we are very bullish here on GJ right now. Plus, we've had that bullish catalyst with very much improved retail sales numbers, supporting these buy ideas. You do 1 minute and 5 minutes. I understand, but I always say build confluence with the higher time frame. Understand what's going on the higher time frame. Because if you're just looking at the lower time frames, you are going to get lost in the sauce, man. The thing is, when trading a lower time frame, you can identify opportunities all day long. But when you're looking at the higher time frame, you realize, okay, there's actually only so many opportunities that are really high probability trades. Because even though 1 minute may be presenting many opportunities, you need to have the experience to be able to identify which of those are truly high probability trades. Just looking at the 30 minute here, basing my analysis over 30 minutes, and then I go down to 1 minute. I do not think buys off of this or sells off of this 1 minute resistance is a good idea. Not at all. Your new 30 minute candle has opened up beautifully. In fact, if I were trading in 1 minute, I would have probably been taking buys off of here, off of this previous resistance. We've got a perfect retest of this level, and as we break the highs here, we'll be triggered in, and then London open volume should take us to our break-even point and first targets. Brinsley, are you from... Oh yes, I think you said you were from Cape Town. Lucky you, my power's off. Can you check out EJ? It's ranging and waiting for breakouts. You can send a chart to the Discord. I don't really trade EJ. So I think your idea is gonna work out. Let's see. Which idea, Chad? It looks like it's already playing out your GJ bar ideas. Although we didn't really get that deeper liquidity grab. I managed risk based off the idea that we could potentially have that deeper liquidity grab. But we never got it. We were expecting that 350 level quite nicely.
Ah, there's a man of action.
I was about to say, Jared, you found a friend.
Yeah, yes, see. We should start a band. Eh?
Start a let's go GJ spam.
No.
I'm coming now. I'll be
Yeah,
back
you
before
should.
we get triggered in. You should sell. You should sell. I've already lost money today, bud. No ways I'm taking sells here on GJ. Gold's coming back down here with London open. Closures below 1762. And I'd be interested in sells here. London first 30 minutes is manipulation. Well, if you think about it, there's a lot of money flooding into the market at London Open. So, can you really call it manipulation, or is that just price adjusting to order flow? BJ must be a troll, surely. I mean, if anything, if you are looking at a 1 minute, we're now forming a double bottom here on this key level, 550. For anyone who watches Don streams, you know this setup right here. This, what is it, a celery play, something like that. 15 minute looks good. We created that bottom wick on the 30 minute and hourly as we break that previous 30 minute high. I'm expecting to see volume here. Flipping bullish here. Yeah, Wayne. Tell him, brother. Tell him. Alright. Triggered in here. Bar stops have been activated. At 166,690. Stops are about 23 pips here. Final targets for this trade for me will be 167,350. Break even point 166,820. Looking to secure some profit as we move up into these Asian highs, or potentially 166,900. BJ, sell bro, sell quickly.
Will you mute yourself? I just want to say, oh no, never mind, sorry. No mistake. I'll just send you a WhatsApp quickly.
If BJ's souls play out, I will be pretty mad. I won't lie. Donvo is a goat. Yeah, Donvo is a really cool oak. You know, there's streamers who have been doing this for a long time, and I think certain things have got to the head. But Donvo is very consistent. He's there day in, day out. Such a chilled oak. Yeah, big respect for Donvo.
You got a swing GJ going fully high.
Who's that bro selling GJ? Bro's moving the markets. GJ, do not make me eat my words.
Have you not taken any trades this week? It says no pips for the week.
Guys, I haven't updated the pip count for the week. We caught nice 70 pip buys on gold earlier this week, and that's the only trade I've taken for London other than today. So also did an evening stream, took 20 pip buys on Nasdaq, Nas 100, whatever. These guys must be SMC. I suppose you could say there's an order block there. But 30 minutes. This range I'd say is pretty clean. And the fact that we've broken above these highs also gives me more confidence that we should drive up into 166,820. Anyone still holding initial GJ buys should still be in profit. I hope you guys have secured something. You know what, I think stops would be reasonable below this previous 15 minute. If we do break that previous 15-minute low, wouldn't be looking too good. But as long as we're respecting 166,500, trade is still valid. If we break that low, I'm going to close out 50%. Don't know why you only stick to one time frame. Can't be me. GJ very choppy these days. Tell me about it, man. Five minutes left here for this 30-minute candle. I suppose as long as we close respecting this resistance, we should be good. If we close below 555, then we may be in some trouble. Also, if we break this previous 15-minute low, I will look at exiting this position. I'm in some buys, yes. When will I close partials? Depends how this candle closes. We've come back and retested this 166,550 level. Having a hard time breaking that area. shall I get in a buy? That's completely up to you, man. I mean, I don't think it's looking too good right now. Like I say, as long as you respect 550 here and don't close below, we should be alright. What's up, Justin? $161. Yeah, it looks really good here. All of a sudden. Rejecting 550 quite nicely. You can hold trade till final TP, no closure. Just be, you know, don't be greedy with your trades. There are some levels to be careful of here. At least go break even as we break the Asian highs. Well, that's what I would do at least, if I were planning to hold it all the way to TP. Should be shorting, not longing. Man, but I am longing. Longing for GJ price action to clear up.
I was just about to say, I'm also longing for a TPA.
It's one of those battles again. Price action versus SMC. Normally we have this on gold. SMC guys come in, they're fighting the bars, then the gold bars play out. Today it's GJ. I think I'm in a no trading range. This trade was based off of 30 minutes. Closing above this resistance. Looking for us to move back up to these Asian highs with London open volume. Also, as discussed, we've broken out of this high time frame range. We did have a retest of these previous highs. Alright, we had a nice support form there. The initial GJ bars were taken off of support. I managed risk on those. Some guys held them and managed to secure some profit. We also had positive GJ news. So your 30-minute take close bearish. Like I say, still respecting 165, 550. Lower time frame forming support on that level. Very choppy area. You are very right. You are very right. I was just anticipating volume, London Open volume, with good pound news to fill this 30-minute range. These candles to the left are nice and clean. Obviously a 15-minute is not as clean, but when your lower time frames are looking choppy, just remember when you zoom out, things are always going to be a lot more clear. So you can see here the hourly, it's clear as day. And remember, your higher time frames do hold more weight. So guys taking sells on the 1 minute here, you know, had a nice little move down. But as the higher time frame momentum kicks back in here, you may be in some trouble. So I'm wanting to learn Forex since last week. I wanted to know how much time it will take to get profitable. Just so I got the right mindset. Straight off the bat, wrong mindset. Don't put a time frame on it. It's going to take you some time. A good couple years. I always say this is a highly profitable skill. Just like a doctor, just like an engineer or an accountant. It's going to take you years of study to have the skill to be where you want to be. If you have the right guidance, which obviously I truly believe that you're in the right place, you know, you could fast track that process to, yeah, like Sheikh says, maybe minimum a year, but really don't get your hopes up. Most people, I would say, probably take at least 3 years to see some sort of consistency. And that is, of course, if you are truly committed and have the discipline, you create a plan, have the discipline to stick to that plan. The only people who lose money in trading are the ones who give up. Just remember that. Only the disciplined ones make it. That being said, discipline in everyday life tells what trader you are on the chart. 100%. I was speaking about that earlier this week. You know, what you do in your day-to-day life carries over into the charts, carries over into your trading. If you don't have the discipline to go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, if you don't have the discipline to eat right, go to gym, how do you expect to develop the correct mindset to have the discipline on the charts? You need to go through suffering, you need to go through challenges to develop the character you need to be profitable in trading and in anything in life. Through suffering, you build character. So put yourself in those uncomfortable situations on a day-to-day basis. Go to the gym, train hard, eat well. Yeah, we were looking good for a second here, but this 30 minutes flipping back bearish. Yeah, I'm gonna close 50% right here as this 30-minute closes, as it flips bearish. Let's close 50% at negative 13 pips. I just want to confirm that these influencers who get profitable in a single year are scammers, right? It takes 2 to 3 years, right? Like I say, you can't really put a time frame on it. Maybe they really did become profitable in a year. But yeah, there's a lot of scammers in this industry, toxic industry. So you do need to be vigilant with who you follow, who you expose yourself to, what traders are you following, you know. Personally, I don't really follow any traders other than certain traders who do resonate with what I do. I don't follow any marketers. I don't follow anyone selling signals. No SMC. I only follow people who provide value, and I'm trying to be one of those people myself. GJ's not helping me with that today though. But at least we're managing risk. Staying sharp and adaptive.
Okay, but Con, I'm gonna be off. I'll catch you X either later or next week, eh?
Cool, Jared. See you.
Yeah, I'm shot for stream, eh?
Cheers, man. I'm moving my stops to below the previous 30-minute candle. So if we break that previous 30-minute low, I'll be out here. I'm gonna give it 2 pips. 166.490 will be my stop loss here. So moving my stop loss up. Also just minimizing my loss. Currently sitting in drawdown. Set and forget. Yeah, I don't do the whole set and forget thing. Okay, we're breaking those lows, so it looks like we may hit stops here. I'm trying to start learning and want to know that if Forex is more profitable than stocks, I can't get a direct answer. There's a lot more volume in Forex. A lot more volume. I became profitable in about 7 months, but really put my nose to the grindstone. Learned and blew up account after account trying to learn. Then I found price action, order flow. Yeah, especially if you were getting into trading during lockdown. I mean, that was an amazing time to, like you say, put your nose to the grindstone. Yeah, mine's almost hit stop loss as well, don't worry. About to open a prop firm. Sheesh. That's amazing, dude. Stocks are better for holding. Individual stock picking has never been my thing. You need to do a lot of research and stay on top of things. Stop loss hit. Yeah, Shaker, it hit 200 just now. I'm still in here. Like 0.2 pips. Stop loss hit. Right, guys. So it is what it is. We did manage risk here today. Not the best day. I know some guys came out on top on those initial GJ buys. That initial idea worked out quite nicely. Buys off of the support. But anyway. Looks like your 15-minute may close back below 166,500. And then, yeah, we are just in this overall range. GJ, I'm still pretty much bullish. As long as we're trading above 166,300, I'd not be interested in sells at all. Understand that taking sells from these areas, you know, maybe they play out, but these are high risk, high reward sells. Alright, I'm looking for low risk, high probability trades. And for me, this ticked all my boxes. Didn't play out, I managed risk, stuck to the plan. Here on gold, still in a no trade range. Not the best way to end the week, but it's been a pretty slow week. Those gold bars are just carrying me through from the other day. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining. Really appreciate all of you. And I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Cheers. All I'm gonna say is fuck GJ. Anyway.